Hi guys, welcome. So in this section we shall be talking about keywords. Keywords are a set of reserved words that cannot be used as a name of a variable or a name of a function or any other identifier. As far as Python is concerned, there are a set of keywords that you can't use to name a variable. So if you want to create a variable, for example, name equals to Ray, right? And we can assign name to the string value ray because name is not a keyword, right? There are keywords you can't use like false or none or true or and or as and so on. You can't use that as a name of a function. You can't use that to name a variable. You can't use that in specific part of your code. But you can use any other words that are not keywords. So there are a set of keywords in this section. We shall just go over just a few of them. So we can use name variable because the name is not a keyword and we have access to the name variable because we've created it. But if we say we want to use false, for example, to define a function, we won't be able to do that because false is a keyword. We can't assign a, a name of a variable as false because false is a keyword. You can also do that with def because def is a keyword that is used to define a function. So you can't use that to name a variable. So this is how keyword works. They are reserved words. You don't use them to name a function or a variable. Say for example, we want to create a function, say hello, like we've done before. We can't create that function and name that function def because def is a keyword. But we can use say hello because say hello is not a keyword. We can also use true because true is a keyword. We can't use none because none is a keyword. So there's a whole list of them. You can't use any of them as a variable name or to use as a function name because that's just how Python works. They are reserved words and you must respect them because they are reserved words. You only use them when they are to be used. For example, you only use def when you are to just create a function. You don't use def as a name of a function. You don't use none as a name of a function because none is part of the keyword. It's part of words that are reserved. So that's pretty much how keyword works. See you in the next section.